Hey guys, we received this HiWe wallet for men with the Find My tracker. It's a built-in. So bifold genuine leather wallet with the RFID blocking, slim, wireless charging. So this is for the iPhone only. So cannot be combined with the Android. So let me just take this out and show you. So this is a bifold wallet, and you can see is a really nice look, brown color. So two pockets. Just to put in the stuff. This is the main card for the Find My thing. Just so you have to start this. So I will show you the tagging. So feel and looks are really good as it's genuine leather wallet. So the window screen, the side pockets you can use. You can put in your cards, your currency, or the paperwork, and then just use it. So here to use you have to do your iPhone. You have to start this on and off button. So once you start this, it will start recognizing it. So once this is recognized, it will just search and find, and you can just adjust it. So once this is all set, you can also use, and then it will do. So this is the wireless charging. Let me show you to you. See, like the light is on. So this will start charging and use. So you can find this wallet with your Find My, the nice wallet.